Don't you ever give up on your droopy eyes. Not your heavy eyelids, not those forehead lines. They are not failing. They are asking to be awakened today. Hi everyone, I'm Imi. Customize your audio and subtitles here. And I want to promise you something. In just a few minutes from now, your eye area will look brighter, lighter, and visibly lifted.
You might believe that eye aging is irreversible, that once your eyes look tired, that's just how it is.
But that's not true. Your eyes can absolutely be rejuvenated depending on how you use them.
With small daily habits,
You can keep youthful, expressive eyes even at 100 years old. Why? Because the eye area is almost entirely water. It's one of the fastest places in the body to change. When eyes look old, they are not aged. They're frozen.
and frozen things melt quickly when you add warmth.
All they need is your attention, you care, your love. You stare at your phone all day and now your eyes are like, cool, we are retiring early. Blurry near, blurry far, dry, heavy. And your eyelids slowly giving up on life. Yeah, funny, but also ouch. But it's okay.
Most people think droopy eyelids and forehead wrinkles are a skin problem.
They are not. This is a blocked system.
Your tears don't come like they used to. Your eyes feel dry, tired, older than you feel inside.
So here's the real issue. Blocked tear ducts. That's why we release them. And when we do, tears start to flow again.
The dryness that was making your eyelids heavy and dragging them downward.
That was the cause.
When moisture returns, your eyes don't tire as easily. Your vision becomes clearer.
And your eyelids naturally lift and look younger.
Your eyes are almost 99% water.
That's why they respond so fast. And today, we're going one step further. We are also releasing frozen muscles around the eyes.
A nervous system stuck in stare mode. First, we soften and release the muscles that have been holding tension for years. Then, we gently activate the muscles that keep your eyes lifted and alive.
Your eyes are not disposable. They are a precious tool you will use for your entire life. So let's make them lift and sparkle brighter.
Stop whenever you need to.
Join my newsletter. Let's start your real adventure after 40. And the Bloom with Amy channel, where your body joins the journey. Here we go! Okay, now, so grab your shoulder muscle in. Just massage like this. Breathe out and relax. And stretch your jaw. And feel the neck stretched. Welcome to Imi's Face Upgrade Lab. The fact that you made it here? Congrats! You've basically already won. Hey, you showed up. That alone already lifted your eyelids a little. And now the opposite side. Grab and massage your shoulder muscles. Breathe deeply, relax, and then stretch your jaw and feel the neck stretch. Let your shoulders drop like, yeah, I don't need to carry the world today. Feel that weirdly? Like, is this pain or pleasure? Yeah, baby, it's totally working. Okay, so use your fingers and place them here and shake. Right here. This is where your tear ducts live. So be gentle. We're not fixing anything. We're inviting flow back in. As you softly massage, imagine warmth traveling into this area. Slow breath in, slow breath out. Let the heat do the work. Your eyes already know how to release what they've been holding. And gently place your fingers on your eyeballs around here and shake. Breathe deeply and relax. Be careful. Don't press the eyeball. Stay on the eyelid. Soft, gentle. Send tiny, tiny waves into the lid, like a quiet ripple. This gentle rocking lets the eye muscle finally relax. If your eyes are very dry, you might feel a little sensitive. That's okay. Just be extra gentle, kinder than you think you need to be. Don't stop while ads are on. And now put your fingers on around here, like eyeball and the bone. It's in between here. So on here and shake. And something interesting happens. Slowly, moisture begins to return, as if a blockage melts, and tears remember how to flow again. Let that inner moisture rise and softly bathe the eyeball from within. No effort, just receive. And now cover your eyes so lightly and breathe deeply. Now let that warm heat spread around your entire eye area. Just this alone can make your eyes feel completely refreshed, almost reborn. That heavy eye fatigue? You'll start wondering, did I ever feel that old before? No kidding. It fades into the past at any age. So keep breathing slowly and bring your attention back to your own sensations. Your eyes are remembering what it feels like to be pampered and come back to life again and again. Now make this joint and put it on here and move your face. This one can literally make you cry. The pain might hit so deep, it feels like your skull is buzzing. But listen, right now, your body needs this level of awakening. So let out a scream, let the tears drop, and feel the soul of your eyes being cleansed. And now the other side. Slowly move.
Don't stop while ads are on.
And now, put your fingers on in between your eyebrows and shake and relax. Breathe deeply.
Put your fingers like this and just look at the fingers alternately. And look left and right, left, right, left, right. Continue on your pace. And now, up and down. Up, down, up, down. Continue on your pace.
Addicted to the high, only heaven knows. But it hurts when the night is still. Star-crossed lovers are dim to lose.
Don't stop while ads are on. Now, gaze at your nail. Closer, further. Move your finger back and forth in order to adjust your focus. Let's train the muscles of the lens of your eyeball. This is really good for preventing and restoring your eye aging.
Try to widen the space in between your eyebrow like this. You are doing like this all the time, so you're trying to widen. To do that, just relax.
Breathe out as you relax your eyebrow muscles. Gently let the outer edges of your brows soften and drop.
Trying to smile, then it's gonna stretch here. Lower the end of the eyebrows.
Make a soft smile and release. As if you're drawing in a gentle happiness energy from the space between your brows. And now, put your fingers on the side of your eyes and wink. Hold that muscle. Feel it move. See? It's still there. No matter your age, the muscles are still yours. They never went away. They've just been waiting for you to lift them back to their true place. And from here, you'll see the world from one floor higher, closer to the divine. Now put 3 fingers on your forehead and up, down, up, down. Now the forehead. super important for lifting your eyes. Look, when you move this muscle, see, the height changes instantly. So yes, whoever trains these muscles higher wins. Hold the wrinkles down with your fingers and let's train it right here. Don't stop while ads are on. Tighten under your eyes. Relax your forehead. Breathe out and release. Stretch from your under eye until your upper lip. Roll your lips inside your teeth. Lift up the corners of your mouth. Try connecting the end of your eyebrows and the corners of your mouth. Relax in between your eyebrows. It's like drawing a circle with your face. See the circle in the face? Good! Feel that every cell of your face is radiating. You are the goddess of smile, so be happy. Not because someone said you look pretty, but because your joy is sacred. Make the best smile in the world. One that lifts your face and shifts the whole damn frequency of the planet. Never let anyone tell you you look old. That's a dead spell. Now we speak glow, power, and presence. We're not chasing youth. We are activating radiance. And our faces, they don't sag. They rise. Because they are the happiest faces in the world. You held on so well. Now let your face go. Release it.
And now put your 3 fingers above your eyebrows and shake and relax. Exhale and release tension.
Blurry vision. Nothing feels sharp. I can't see properly anymore. Is this just aging? No, absolutely not. Your eyes can improve at any age. I've been there, really. I felt it all. That moment when you realize, whoa, my eyes feel old. But even then, trust me, they changed. Eye fatigue, blur, that dull heaviness is in the past now. Not because of magic, but because I learned how to love my eyes. And love creates miracles, real ones. They happen because you are worth it. So come back tomorrow and let me witness the trail of love you leave in your eyes. Look at you! Your eyes are lifted, sparkling like diamonds. This isn't just looking younger. This is a whole new you.
Feel how much lighter your eyes are now, right? If you thought, wow, maybe that heaviness and fatigue don't have to come back. If it did, drop me an emoji or a comment. I read every single one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cause next time, we're lifting even higher. This has been Amy, and remember, your face is not aging. It's just been frozen, waiting to thaw in your love. See you in my next videos! また次の動画でお会いしましょう。